Here's how you save hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes, straight up. 80% of the benefit that you're going to get is really from 3 strategies. Now, a lot of advisors are going to give you all this BS, in my opinion, about using Augusta rule and other forms of depreciation that I think for the most part, for 80% of business owners, or 90 even, it's just not going to make sense. The reality is that you're going to take the majority of your benefit. I would even say 80% of all the taxes you save are going to be based on these 3 key strategies. The first is your accounting basis. I think this is the #1 tax strategy that most advisors completely miss because it requires a lot more deep thought and deep thinking about not only past, present, and future income and profit. So the reason that this makes a ton of sense to think about from a base level, and it should be the first thing that you think about from a tax strategy perspective, is because we want to determine how we're going to recognize revenues and expenses. Are we going to recognize them all up front or over a period of time? I've mentioned before, from an agency perspective, or even a construction company or development companies, accrual basis makes a lot of sense because oftentimes when you receive money, it's not your money. Really what it is, it's a liability. You're holding customer deposits or holding customer premiums, or in the case of insurance agencies, you're holding commissions and you haven't completely earned them yet, because remember, if they cancel anytime during the period of the contract, the insurance policy, you will be on the hook for paying back those commissions. And so